Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween Chex Mix. It's a super quick, easy, and delicious Halloween snack. So let's get started. This is just one of the many ways that you can make it. Feel free to add whatever you like into it and add as much or as little as you like. To make it, in a large bowl, add in the Chex cereal. I'm using Rice Chex, M&Ms, Reese's Pieces, candy corn, pretzels, and peanuts. And use your hands to gently toss the mixture until it's combined. Again, feel free to add whatever you like into this and as much or as little as you like. If you're using large candies, then cut them up into bite-sized pieces. And that's it. Super quick and easy. And that's how to make Halloween Chex Mix. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.